This is a message for Cancer. If you're Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, this message may resonate for you. Maybe monitoring spirits around you, people watching you. Alright, can I get a message for Cancer, please, Spirit? Can I get a message for Cancer? Can you Cancer Collective? Can I get an accurate message? The star, upright, you're in your star energy. You could be in your star energy, also Aquarius energy. When I flipped the deck earlier, Ace of Wands. We have the star and the Ace of Wands. You may be working on a project with Spirit that you're really passionate about. And you're getting your support from your Spirit team. We'll get some clarifier cards with what the Ace of Wands is. You also maybe like peeping a female and like you're like, I want that one. I want that one. I want to keep this really clean. There may be a female that you think is the star in your sky, and you wanna give her a good old time. I can't. Let's get some clarifiers now before I go on any further. Some clarifying cards for the star, please. Oh my goodness, Spirit. I told Spirit told me that if love fall out, I have to take them from now on, because I was putting them back in the deck, but we had that discussion, Ed and I. So it looks like this may be a feminine energy that has been a roller coaster of a ride with. There was deceit, lying, stealing, and yet you see them as your end all be all. You see them as your abundance. Man, this reading's all kinds of fucked up. Looks like you want to take away this person from hardship, or you're going to be taken away from hardship, and that may end up into a good union, whether it be business, platonic friendship, or romantic. But there's some hesitation and regret which keeps you up at night. Or maybe you did think you removing someone from this negative energy was going to change things, but it didn't. Things stayed the same, and you were hoping to come into union, but it didn't happen. Some type of union is stressing you out, whether it be platonic friendship, business, or romantic. It looks like if you want to take someone away, or you think leaving a place or situation is going to solve your problems, it looks like it may not. What is this union, God? Could be union with yourself. This was flipped over, the only card that's flipped over. It could be union with yourself, and you need to integrate all the parts of you, dark, light, integrate them. I'm gonna just pull one more card for it. But you have to take your blindfold off and really look at yourself. You have to really look in the mirror. Ace of Boons. Once you integrate yourself and look at yourself in the mirror, then you're going to be getting financial abundance. Maybe a new project, a new business, starting up, a new idea from the universe. You could maybe get a new power, or an item that will give you power somehow. Get a new ring, a new amulet that is powerful, and then you can wear that when you level up and you decide to integrate and really truly look at yourself. You may even, after you decide to integrate, you may even come into a union with someone. But until then, it's going to keep you up at night. Can I get a card on this Ace of Wands? Can I get a card on this Ace of Wands? Clouds of challenges. There's like an inner... In your mind, there's like this inner rebel or youthful spirit that is keeping passion in your life. Even when it gets difficult, just keep that. Keep that going. It's gonna help you. It's gonna help you reach your Ace of Wands, your passion, and bring in that energy you need to manifest in this reality. Anything else, Spirit? Any other card? Ace of Cups reverse. You may be unfulfilled emotionally, and you're like, why, universe? Like, why am I not at the point that I want to be at yet? What is blocking the way? What is it? Well, it's that integration. The integration will bring your Ace of Cups upright. Okay? You got the Ace of Wands and upright and the Ace of Cups reverse. So for those of you who are like peeping a female, this could be like you need to get your emotions in order, and then you will get that Ace of Cups. The divinity you've been looking for in a person. Lovers on the bottom. Yeah. Maybe do some shadow work. Accept the dark parts of you and just make them a part of you. They are a part of you. Everything we've been through has made us who we are. Even in our past lives, we still carry some baggage from our past lives, and it's made us who we are, and we are beautiful people. People are beautiful. So just accept all the parts of you. Let's get a couple oracle cards. Any advice for Cancer, Spirit? Any advice for Cancer, God? Be aware of the temptation around you, which I'm pretty sure you're already aware of it, but it's still there and you may not be heeding advice of others. Just be aware of it. And be like, no. See this dude right here? 151 may be significant. Anything else? Make sure you balance. It seems like you're in an imbalance right now. Just make sure you're balanced. Call upon your spirit team, your angel guides. You have all the tools you need, to balance yourself out. Balance your physical reality, your physical body, your etheric, your spiritual. They all need to be living in harmony. Thank you, Cancer. I'll see you next time. Bye.